Stargates, time portals, luminous spheres, beings of light, supercommunication. Science turning science fiction into fantasy reality changed our world, made it a magic mirror in which you can see what the human mind can or cannot conceive. As a result of this imaginary reality, NASA announced that there are hidden gates in the Earth's magnetic field from which stars can escape and allocate huge sums for their study. These gates are known, some as stargates, others as wormholes or extra-dimensional gates, portals, others as communication channels that have been the subject of theoretical physics and quantum physics and astronomy for decades. Today, all research into their existence and function seems to be coming to an end as we continue to increase our understanding of the true nature of our reality. There are many magnetic gates that open and close dozens of times a day and are connected to the sun, which is a giant gate of the galaxy. And of the gates discovered by NASA, many are located a few kilometers above the Earth, and others reach the Earth. And some of them are short-lived, others are permanent, others are a few tens of meters long, and others are giant, hundreds of kilometers long, and continuous. Magnetic gates are invisible, unstable, and fleeting. They open and close without warning, and there are no signs either. In physics, a wormhole or a communication tunnel is a theoretical abbreviation of space-time in which the spatio-temporal constraints of three-dimensional space do not apply. We often wonder how aliens could travel from a distant universe to other stellar systems and galaxies, to other universes, and to the Earth, outside of the known laws of space-time. The wormhole could be one of the many explanations for these voyages and ironic comments. Today, science calls them the beings of light, explorers of galaxies that move through wormholes without the dangers of interstellar travel. They are attracted to positive feelings of joy, love, kindness, and gratitude, individually or in group events such as a procession, a joint prayer, a group meditation, or when attention is focused on something. Science seeks to find the key and secrets of the universe to open the cosmic gate leading to the kingdom of the gods. The appearance of the spheres of light in the ancient Greek sanctuaries was a sign of positive entities and a common phenomenon. Modern scientific theories try to explain the phenomenon of spheres by supporting the views that the whole universe is full of logical beings in infinite forms and shapes, and that spheres must be creations of advanced civilizations. What exactly a person sees depends entirely on his personal sensitivity, his subjective perception, and his religious beliefs, and the religions, if they could see the luminous spheres, would characterize them as a miracle, while the ancient Greek mystics, due to their spiritual level, were accustomed to see them in their sanctuaries as a manifestation of the presence of their quote-unquote gods. Each person translates the same exact stimuli in a completely different way, depending on their cognitive level. Recently, the testimonies for views of bright spheres began to increase, not only in the photos but also with the naked eye, and it's questionable why this phenomenon has intensified so much. It's common perception that it is related to the New World that started in 2012 and is a phenomenon that testifies to planetary evolution. The time of the heavens has come and the spheres of light and the harbingers of the new age. We are at a critical turning point, and the passages have been opened for other dimensions and other fields of existence. An American doctor, Carol Lawson, hypnotherapist, teacher of human body electronics in the USA, after 2.5 years of daily contact with the spheres, wrote this in an article. The spheres of light, I am able to know that they are really living entities, thinking forms with intelligence, and come to our world from other dimensions. Spheres are very advanced creations and can slow down or accelerate their frequencies, ionize the atmosphere, and when they want to capture their hologram in order to contact us. They try to show us the doors of the galactic family, since they have the technology to tune in to any space frequency, and with this possibility, they can only see the whole or a part of the earthly history, of the past, or of the future, end quote. Spheres are the high frequencies and can see everything that happened to the lowest, so they can capture human brain waves from a distance, read thoughts, know desire, and appear when called upon. They come into our world from another reality, which is the fifth dimension, and that is why we can understand them, that as they can quickly take on different shapes, change colors, appear and disappear. So they're shapeshifters and they're interdimensional entities. And we have other words for that as well, as you can understand. I don't know how good or bad these entities are, but we have to try the spirits. Now, the spheres are creations of the highest light technology, about which I write in detail in my book, The Unknown Archaeology of the Greeks. They are used by their creators to explore remote areas of the universe and for telescopic navigation of our galaxy. They enable them to observe, record, and even interact with our world using overdimensional teleportation and communication assistance. The research of these spheres has today proceeded, and it was found that they are made of high-tech energy vortices, the concentration of which has opened cosmic channels of vortices in 35 parts of the world, 11 which are in Greece. Their channels are used by transcendental entities. Whirlpools have been around for wormholes have been around for over 1 million years and are always detected in life in other planets and other galaxies. Mankind, on the other hand, for thousands of years has been unaware that it is not alone in the universe and refuses to accept the truth. And this is by Gerasimus Kalogerakis from The Call of the Stars. And I've translated this for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.